Hi there, this is Akram. We have come in the beginning of this year, and I felt it. I want to thank all the people who gave me reasons to be happy. I will share my thoughts on how to make it happen. 1. Look back at what you have achieved in 2022 and what you have learned from the experience. 2. Write down your gratitude list and read it every day until you feel better about yourself and your life. 3. Make a plan for 2023. Set goals and write down your resolutions for this year so that you can work towards them every day of this new year. Myself everyday busy schedule and most of time I'm on photography, also cinematic video editing. This is amazing experience for me to exploring on each different way I've learned. I totally agree with this 2 different advice. 1. Education is the key of darkness to light. 2. Polytechnic study is very beneficial for young students. Set up your time to be better educators and share your knowledge there who need it.